Hey guys, Morel McCurry here. I bet you're wondering why I have a stack of Post-it notes in my hand, right? Well, the reason I'm holding a stack of Post-it notes is because I've gone into your offices here, and I'm not gonna call you out, but you know who you are, and you've got the Post-it notes with the passwords written on them. You've got them underneath your keyboard. You've got them underneath your mouse pad. Come on, guys. It's time to get this together and do some for real password management, right? So what am I talking about today, right? Well, password management tool. I'm coming at you. We've got a password management tool solution for you. You can store all your passwords in it. You can also create documents and store in there. So my OCD business owners out there, you got all your processes and procedures out there, and you want to be able to just hit a button and hit print, or hit a button and access those for any employee that you are onboarding, or even a process to offboard employees. You want to make sure you have a standard operating procedure for that too. You got that in this solution. It'll work. You can store your documents, your how-to guides in there, all of the things for your routine tasks that you have to manage. All of that can go inside this tool. Another cool thing about it too is you can put checklists in it. So, I mean, we have a lot of checklists here in IT. What we do here with IT and security is a lot of checklists, a lot of checks and balances that we have to make sure that get done just the right way to keep that original recipe going. And it also has a mobile phone app. So if you've got a smartphone, you can download the MyGlue app, and the MyGlue app will have all of your access in it on the go. It also has a Chrome extension for my Google Chrome users on the computer, so you can directly access your passwords there too. If you have any questions on password management, or you just want to check out our password management tool, give me a call, 678-999-2172. My name is Morel McCurry. I'll be glad to help you and glad to talk to you about different security solutions for your business. Thank you.